Think you've seen drone shows before? Think again. Welcome to Chongqing, China's cyberpunk megacity, where more than 11,000 drones can transform the night sky into a giant digital canvas. In 2025, Chongqing set a Guinness World Record with 11,787 drones flying simultaneously, creating the world's largest aerial image formed by drones. Today, this breathtaking show has become one of the city's most iconic travel experiences. What makes Chongqing's drone show different? First, it's not a one-time event. Unlike many special festival performances around the world, Chongqing hosts regular drone shows throughout the year. Second, the backdrop is unbeatable. The drones fly above the spectacular meeting points of the Yangtze River and Jiaoling River, surrounded by illuminated skyscrapers, bridges, and mountain city landscapes. When and where does the show take place? The drone show takes place in Chongqing's downtown riverfront area, where the Yangtze and Jiaoling rivers meet. Regular performances are usually held every Saturday evening. From May to September, shows typically begin at 9 p.m. From October to April, they usually start around 8:30 p.m. Holiday schedules may vary, and performances can be canceled due to strong winds or rain, so always check the latest updates before heading out. Finally, let's get to the golden question: where to watch it best? Our first recommendation is Chaotianmen Square. This is the easiest viewing location for most travelers and one of Chongqing's most famous landmarks. From here, you'll enjoy a classic view of the river confluence and see the drone formations directly above the skyline. It's easy to reach by metro, and perfect if you're visiting Chongqing for the first time. Just remember to arrive at least 1 hour early on weekends, as it gets crowded. If you want the most immersive experience, head to Nanbin Road. Many locals consider this the best front-facing view of the entire performance. You'll be closer to the drone flight area, making the formations appear larger and more detailed. This is also one of the best locations for photography and video shooting. The downside? Well, everyone knows it's the best spot. Expect large crowds during holidays and peak travel seasons. For the most balanced view, choose Chongqing Grand Theater. Located across the river in Jiangbaizhui, this spot offers an incredible combination of drones, rivers, bridges, and Chongqing's futuristic skyline. Though the formations appear a bit farther away, you can zoom in to view a detailed screen. If you're creating content for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, this is arguably the most photogenic location. A few quick tips before you go. First, arriving at the best vantage point 30 minutes ahead of time, preferably 1 hour, is recommended to secure a seat or standing position. Second, the show runs for 20 to 30 minutes, plus waiting time, so you are advised to remain in your position. Bringing a spare battery is the most reliable course of action. Third, Chongqing's nightscape is stunning. Rivers, stacked buildings, and light trails create a unique 3D depth. To capture both the drone show and the city lights in one shot, a wide-angle lens is your best choice. Fourth, it can get pretty crowded when everyone leaves after the show, and taxis are hard to come by. Public transportation is highly recommended instead. And always check weather conditions before leaving, as performances may be canceled during rain or strong winds. Planning a trip to China? Follow China Discovery for the latest travel updates, hidden gems, and real-time local guides. And don't forget to save this video for your future Chongqing adventure. See you in China!